Good morning from Atlanta, Georgia. So, you're never too old to learn cool tricks. Now, let's zoom in here just a bit, see if it will focus on that. So, anyway, of course, this cord here is always going to hang here. Let's unfocus that. Hang on a second. That is a CB mic cord. So, and then you got these wires for the GPS running down the windshield. It's just a bloody mess, you know. And you got the wire. This wire here goes to the dash cam, which I got to fix that dash cam. Memory, something wrong with the SD card. So Chris, does that help? Nah, focuses on the light, doesn't it? Looks dark. So Chris took this out, put a factory radio on in, and I got that thing somewhere. So what he did is he bought one of these. Hold on a second. Okay, so what Chris did, he bought there we go. He bought a thing here, hardwires in. So the one I found, I couldn't find a dual, but it's okay. This is that dash cam works off a USB anyway, so we'll plug that in with a USB and use that for the Garmin. And what you do is you stick it up in here. Take this all down. Take that radio out. I've got my General Lee here. Got my big General Lee with the chrome case on it. So we're gonna hang that up there to place that Cobra. So that's today's project, is to take all that down, hardwire this thing, hardwire that in there, and then get rid of all these ugly wires hanging down. It really cleans all that up. So anyway, we'll see how that goes. We'll show you. Sorry about the light not focusing. I need to buy, I guess I have to buy a light for this thing, but we're learning. Okay, bye. Okay, so here's an update. Got the CB down. As you can see, there's a giant hole up there. So what we're going to do is cut this wire. We might do it on this side. We're going to cut this wire and splice in this this thing here. Splice this thing in. Did it focus? And stick that up in the hole. And then we can hardwire our GPS and our dash cam, and everything be tucked in, nice clean look. And while we have all that down, and then see what you do is you just run the wires through. Well, here, I'll show you after a while. Yeah, this place is a wreck. It's a work in process construction zone. And I dropped one of my screws, and it went down the top of the steering wheel, so we got the chrome off of there. And going to have to fish it out. So probably got to take all this dash pieces out, try to find that screw. I need that screw to go up there. I wish something right. All right, back to work I go. Well, all that bloody work, we got her done. Nice clean install. So here's gonna be the wire for the GPS. We did a radio check and popped a fuse. so now we gotta take it all down because the fuse is in there. Must be the fuse on the radio side, because this is still working, and that's, and I gotta take it all down and find out. So there we go, fun stuff. But we got her going. Well, we got the wires. We got our mission accomplished. So no more wires hanging down. So the GPS will be a clean install. The camera, formatted card is still not working. I'm gonna try a different card, and if it doesn't work, then I'll take it out, throw it in the garbage. All right, there we go. See ya. Okay, so there is the install done. No more wires hanging down. Nice clean look. The factory case would have fit around that CB, I do believe, but we're going to keep the chrome Gotta see the chrome, man. Big General Lee doing his thing. So she's up. Install's complete. The wires are hidden. So now we can take this fancy little blotter thing there. Matches all my junk. So pretty snazzy. So anyway, there you go. Almost got the inside complete. I think I like it. So we're going to try this Rand McNally. That's a 7-inch tablet, the 740. I think once I download the Keep Trucking app. So the plan is to download the Keep Trucking app like I have on my iPad and my iPhone, because this runs Android, so we just have to figure out how to download the Keep Trucking app. It also does Bluetooth, so I have to get the Bluetooth to talk to the ELD, which is hit up in the dash. If we get those two to communicate, that'll be my logbook up there as well. So we'll have a nice, clean, mounted system. Truck GPS, logbook, and route tracking, everything all on one device. Pretty cool, man, pretty cool. I'll keep you updated if it works. But if it don't work, we've been fussing about that Garmin for a long time, so we'll give this Rand McNally a shot. Okay, see ya.